Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and like. Now back to the news. Most celebrities are staying mum on the courtroom showdown between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard amid their ongoing defamation trial. But a select few have picked sides. Perhaps the majority are too weary of taking heat from the public, as Drew Barrymore did when she made light of the allegations on her talk show, and then had to backtrack. It's like one layer of crazy. It's a 7-layer dip of insanity, the never-been-kissed star had previously said on the Drew Barrymore Show about the case. Depp, 58, is suing Heard, 36, over a 2018 Washington Post op-ed she wrote, in which she called herself a victim of sexual violence. Although the Aquaman star did not name the Pirates of the Caribbean star in the piece, it was written a few years after she had accused him of abuse in a 2016 restraining order. Now that both actors have taken the stand at a Fairfax County, Virginia, courthouse, more stars are sharing whom they believe. Just a few weeks before the jury weighs in on their decision, Chris Rock took the stage during the UK leg of his Ego Death World Tour on May 12 and reportedly discussed Depp's allegations that Heard left poop on his bed. According to British digital publisher Ladbubble, the comic told the crowd, believe all women, except Amber Heard. He then added, apparently believing Depp's claims, what the FK is she on? She st in his bed. She's fine, but she's not sting fine. Ireland Baldwin called Heard a terrible person on an Instagram story amid the trial. The thing is, I know women who are exactly like this, Alec Baldwin's oldest child said in late April. They are manipulative and cold, and they use their very womanhood to play victim and turn the world against the man, because we live in a society where it's cool to say men are all the worst and blah blah fki blah. Joe Rogan condemned Heard on his popular podcast, The Joe Rogan Experience, saying she is a crazy lady and that her allegations are not true. I'm watching this trial, and, like, it's a cautionary tale about believing in bull's tea, forming a narrative in your head like, we're rebels together, he said to his millions of listeners. People that are just manipulative and full of st like that. Comedian Doug Stanhope knows her. Stanhope's buddies with Johnny Depp. He wrote something like a little essay about how full of st she is, and she threatened to sue him, and I think he had to wind up taking it down. Bill Burr admitted in early May that he hasn't necessarily seen the Depp Heard trial because he's too big a Johnny Depp fan to watch it, but said he thinks people should apologize to the Edward Scissorhands star if Heard loses. From what I've seen, the guy is f***ing destroying, the comedian, 52, said on the Monday Morning podcast, according to Mediate. And what's great about this is if he really does expose this woman for lying, I'm wondering, all these people that, just accepted her lies about him, if they're going to apologize somehow. An instant support of Depp has been more subtle than others, taking to social media to quietly take his side. According to Radar, the Friends star, 53, started following Depp after the trial had already started, and the Black Mass star reportedly returned the gesture recently. Not as many celebrities have come to Heard's defense, but Howard Stern did not hold back in blasting Depp for his overacting at the trial. The legendary radio host said on his Sirius XM show in late April, the reason he wanted that on, he wanted it televised, because that's what narcissists do. I think Johnny Depp is a huge narcissist, and what I mean by that is, he figured, I'll put this on TV, and because I'm so persuasive, and because I'm so smart, I'm such a wonderful guy. Stern continued, if he isn't acting, I mean, he's so overacting because he's writing his own material as he goes along. I gotta tell you, he's wrong. He shouldn't be putting this on TV in any shape. Ellen Barkin is set to show her support for Heard where it matters most. In court. The Big Easy actress, 68, will take the stand to testify on behalf of Heard because she previously alleged that Depp was abusive to her when they dated. Barkin also issued a statement in Depp's trial against The Sun in 2020, claiming the actor had thrown a bottle of wine across a hotel room once and gotten jealous and angry. However, Depp claimed that his ex held a grudge, and her allegations were untrue. Barkin and Depp briefly dated in 1994.